Hello and welcome to module number 10. In this module, you will learn how to customize or make your collection page more conversion friendly and how to also customize your collection page using a free theme. You can also use a paid theme in this case, but yeah, I'm just using a free theme so that you are able to see the customization with the free theme only. So I can just simply click on this, and once I click on this, I see this is not looking too much good. So I'm going to change the layout of this a little bit. And yeah, before I do this, I have created a checklist of conversion rate optimization checklist, which is an ultimate checklist which you can use for free. And for example, in this I have highlighted this collection page optimization, so ensure that uh, products are displayed in grid with proper spacing and use of high quality images with hover effects for better engagement, and include filters and sorting options, show product availability and stock urgency wherever applicable, highlight bestseller and top rated products, and ensure pagination or infinite smooth scroll. All right, so these are some of the points which I've highlighted. Once, like, I'll be providing this checklist to you. You can just check the description below, and you'll see the checklist that is completely free of cost and no hidden charges in this. So you'll get it completely free of cost. All right, so let's customize it to a better looking page. So we can make it, so this is the product grid which is coming up, so I can make sure that the product is now in good shape, or we can use a square portrait over here. And then we can also use a standard add to cart option over here. And yeah, that's it, I guess. We can use this filter to be either horizontal, vertical, or drawer, depending upon our requirements. So most cases people use this vertical, but you can use it as per your requirement. For now, for the sake of this video, I'll use the one which is horizontal, and ensure that the products per page is for example, I'll just keep it to uh, possibly I'll keep it to 20 for now. And we can just make the number of products to be 4 or 5, depending upon how much product we want to show. Usually it's a good practice to use 4 in a row, and like, depending upon the situation. So yeah, we can just, or the product images you have in your store, so you can just choose the one which is. So yeah, I have kept the padding to be like this. And with this also, we can just have a collection banner. And yeah, if the collection has an image, it should automatically show the collection image. So even the color scheme, we can use the color scheme to be somewhat matching our theme. I'll use the one which is this one. And yeah, now with that being done, I'll have to update the the menus little bit. So I'll just update the navigation, so that the navigation, this bracelet link should be updated to the collection bracelets. And yeah, and then the necklace should be the collection link to necklace. And even the earring should have a link to collection earrings. And again, earrings spelling is wrong over here, so I'll just correct this. All right, so Yep, save it. And once I save it, I'll have I guess I'll just have to refresh. Okay, yeah, we'll have to wait for it to be saved. Yeah, usually it takes time, but if we click on bracelet, we see the bracelet. If we want to check necklace, we see the necklace. And if we want to see this earrings, we see the earrings. With that, we have our collection page almost ready. And let's see, we can add different filters depending upon the requirements. Well, these filters can be added with the help of going to online store. And then we can go to navigation over here. And well, it used to be under navigation. Let's see, the filters should be now. It used to be over here previously, but I guess there was an update in Shopify. Just because of that, they have shifted it to somewhere else. But don't worry, we can just search for filters over here. Filters. If we search on filter, we'll see an app. The app is completely free of cost, and we can simply install it. And yeah, it gives us the option to edit the filters in Shopify. And we can just ensure that this is pinned. And we can add filters. The current filter is availability and price. We can add more filter depending upon what we need. So for example, I can select the product type, and I can select all the values. And yeah, I can simply select this. And now with the product type, there should be a product type filter also available over here. Yeah, we see this product type, we see this earrings over here. But if we go to collections all, we'll see all type of products over the um, filters available over here. So in order to create filters, you can simply create it by adding this app, which is completely free of cost. So yeah, I hope you understood this. Now we now have a better understanding of how to edit your collection page, and also add filters. And also edit the filters if you want to edit a filter. If you want to add a filter which is based upon the tags, for example, or category or brand or age group, or more filters, anything, so you can uh, you know define it based upon what you need the filter to go with. All right, so it's up to you to define the filter, or check the way the filter occurs. All right, so it's up to you. So yeah, let's see. Now you do have an understanding of how to add filters also, and what app should be used for filters. And this is a free app and doesn't actually affect the speed of the website, so you need not to worry about the speed of the website. It has zero effect on the speed. So yeah, and it has a very good rating completely. And the developer is Shopify itself. So I guess you learned a lot now. And now you are able to add collections, and also edit the collection layout. And you're also able to customize the collection layout. So in next video, we'll cover a lot more about the product page. And then gradually we'll move to other pages as well, like the checkout, cart, and other stuff. And we are still going to make our home page little bit much more better. And it should be looking much more professional in order to get enough sales. And also I'll be talking about the announcement bar. We can add more and more things over here. But yeah, that's for another video. So that's all for today. And in this module, I'll see you in next module. Till then, thank you.